Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a small leather goods vintage coach unboxing to share with you. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this small piece and I'll show you what it is. So this is the Trigger Snap Key Fob, style number 7212 in the color Mahogany. And I would estimate it was most likely made sometime in the 1990s. It comes with the little price tag as well that has all the information. Says it's Mahogany here in the corner, 7212, which is the style number, and then it says Trigger Snap Key Fob. And as you can see, it comes with this little coach booklet that has information on the brand, and then the box also has the same information as the price tag here printed on the side of the box, or on the sticker here on the side of the box. So like the name suggests, this is a little key fob, so you could attach your keys right here obviously to the key ring, and then also this snap does come up, so you could remove the key ring if you like to put your keys on there to make it easier, and then just reattach it, snap it back into place. And then it also comes with a lobster claw clasp, so you could, if you wanted to, attach it to the hardware on your bag and then have your keys attached here to the bag like so to make it easy to grab and go. This is a mahogany Willis bag, so as you can see it matches pretty well. So that is the Vintage Coach Trigger Snap Key Fob, style number 7212 in the color Mahogany. And this piece is available now in our online store, so if you are interested in looking at it further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.